Hello friend, today I repaired the IMEI of Lenovo K9. First of all, power off the mobile and open the Chimera tool and connect the mobile pressing both volume button with PC. You see here show the Lenovo model and here show the IMEI number. Click IMEI number and put here IMEI number. Write original IMEI of the phone here. If same or both, write both IMEI and click start. This is the very simple process for Lenovo phone to repair modem and IMEI and camera tool. If you are new on my channel, please like and subscribe my video and share it.